Hello everyone, Sean GWS, Sean and Mel. Mel's out today with her friends, so I'm just going to do a little video about pole safety. At the moment there's a lot been going on with people having accidents and even worse things happening. So I've been buying some equipment. As you see there, this is from Streamline. Other companies do brochures as well. Right, what have we done to help us? Well, we're always going to look up in the air, look out, think of the safety anyway, but also from Streamline, and again, other companies sell them. We bought some poles, over 8 with Kevlar. So the Kevlar is in the bottom 2 sections of the pole. This section and the next section. So you can buy them to fit to any pole. So that's 2 sections. That's going to go on to my normal Streamline pole. So I'm going to take the bottom 2 sections out and put the Kevlar ones in. That's that one. We always use the over 830s mainly for window cleaning and roof cleaning. So this one's a full new pole. Again, bottom 2 sections, Kevlar in it. It does say it on there as well. Okay, so this is going to help to protect you. We've also bought some safety electrical gloves as well, Ansell. These are for Mel. These are a size 7, and normally I'm a 10, but I've ordered a 9 because they're quite big fitting actually. So we've got those as well. I will put a link on the website. These are max usage for volt, 1000 volt. Okay, so we've got them to help us. We've even got, so these are my gloves. These are my gloves. I bought some over gloves as well. So once you've got these on, as you see, they're quite big. Normally I'd get a 10, but these are a 9, and they're still quite big. So you can get an over glove to stop them getting damaged as well, what just slides over. Again, these are a size 11. So they recommend to get one size up. So hopefully now, once we've got these on, and we're just obviously aware of where we're working as well. So we've got the Kevlar poles, got our gloves on. So it's going to give us a bit more protection. But also, what we've done as well, we've also bought some boots. Again, I'll put the link on. The boots are from the same company as what we've got the gloves from. These are the boots. These, again, rubber soles, protect you up to 1000 volts. So we will just wear these when we're working on areas where it looks a bit maybe hazardous. Okay, but depending on the job, we'll probably turn the job down. But again, I always like to think safety for Mel and myself. Comfortable boots. Normally I take about a 9, 9.5, but I thought work boots I'd get a 10, and these feel comfortable. And Mel's normally a 6, but because of a men's fitting, Mel has got the 6 in men's, and they actually fit her perfectly. These are Mel's gloves. These ones here, size 7. The only thing is, Mel said the fingers look very, very small. But if you get the next size glove up, then the fingers are about 1 inch long. About 1 inch longer. So, but Mel said they'll be okay. We do buy a lot of equipment from Streamline. So you can go on the internet and check them out, Streamline Systems. We use a hose reel trolleys at the minute. Mel's got one and I've got one. These here, these are really good. Again, Streamline Systems. Absolutely brilliant. I wish I got them years ago. Every time you get to a job and you've got to wind in and coil in the hose reel at 20 metre lengths, it's hard work. People will understand where I'm coming from. So if you get a hose trolley, wow, what a difference. I think it's 40 metres on there I've got as well, and there's still a bit more room, but really good. So just letting you know what GWS have done to keep safe working around properties. So I hope some of it's useful, but I will put the links on the video, Streamline Systems and the other company to get the boots and the gloves from. But thanks for watching and hope it helps you out. See you on the next one.